you guys at the station.
I mean, Andy, you have a resume in demolition derby. You just did that last week. So
yeah.
Yeah, I do have a demolition derby resume, and I need to remind you a rodeo resume as a brief stint as a rodeo clown.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I don't throw around the word perfect a lot, but I am a pretty good fit for whatever they need.
Yeah.
Ride the bull, bud.
What do they say?
Take the bull by the horn?
That's what it was. Yes, yes. Okay. So, all right.
Well, every time I hear demolition derby, there's an old song by Jim Croce. You Jim Croce fans back in the 70s? He wrote a song called Rapid Roy, that stock car boy. It was about a demolition derby.
Taste.
It was all about the demolition derby. Yeah, great stuff.
He's not biting.
Blew past that.
No. He wanted you to sing a little bit of it, Kevin.
Well, we don't have time.
Okay, all right. Well, you saw the sun outside. It's kind of a great day to be out there, and hopefully that'll bring a lot of people out to the fair.
Yeah, it's going to be very warm. Maybe wear a hat, put on some sunblock, and if you're heading to the beach, that's a good pick for today. Good morning, everybody. We look out in Grand Haven. Look at how smooth the water is. We're going to have a southwest wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so those winds drive the wave heights, and when you don't have much wind, you don't have much wave heights. That makes it safer to be out there. So whether you're going to be out on Lake Michigan, on the boat, or at the beach, it's safer on a day like today to be out there. Well, what we're tracking? Well, today's a Fox 17, not a weather-ready alert day, but it is a clean air action day or an air quality alert day. Kind of the same thing there. What it means is we have ozone production here in the atmosphere, and it makes for poor air quality. So try to help that situation along. Don't run any gas-powered equipment or top off your gas tank today. Sometimes I try to get the last few pennies in that gas tank to really fill it up, but those fumes come out, and that creates ozone here at the surface and poor air quality. So put all that off for another day. Humidity is going to increase tomorrow. We'll get those dew point temperatures up to about 68, maybe 7 degrees. So it's going to be feeling stickier tomorrow. And then along with that, late tonight into tomorrow, a cold front's going to sag in here. So we'll have some shower and thunderstorm chances for Thursday. Maybe they hang on for some of us on Friday as well. I'll show you what that looks like on Future Track here momentarily. Our temperatures, well, they are in the mid to upper 60s. Some of us, like Ionia, Lansing, and Three Rivers, already at 70 degrees. We're 69 degrees in Grand Rapids. Again, we're shooting for highs in the upper 80s today. At least it is somewhat of a dry heat, but make no mistake about it, it's still going to be very warm. We do have some shower and some thunderstorm activity that's been off to our north and west. That is along a stationary frontal boundary. That is where the firing zone will continue to occur throughout today. We're not going to see any precip today, but after midnight tonight and into the day tomorrow, that will change. As we look at our forecast then, that clean air action day is out, mostly sunny, warm, 88 for the high. And again, there's the key thing, as I started to talk about right off the top here, a southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour means not much wave heights. Here's some of your neighborhood high temperatures. Greenville will make about 88 degrees, White Cloud about 87, Fremont and Sparta both coming in later today with highs around 88 degrees. This long frontal boundary is a stationary frontal boundary. It'll meander a little bit in this area, but that's where the firing zone will be for more shower and thunderstorm activity today, so well off to our north and west. And then this next low will ride along this front. It'll kind of sag into our northern counties tonight. So from Grand Rapids northward into tomorrow morning, there could be a shower or thunderstorm. That chance becomes a little bit better as the entire front sags into southern lower Michigan, acts as the focal point of the impetus for seeing maybe some more scattered showers or thunderstorms on Thursday. But I think some areas are going to be missed, and it certainly is not going to rain all day. As that frontal boundary hangs in the lower Great Lakes, that'll be close enough to maybe generate a shower or thunderstorm on Friday, lingering south of Grand Rapids. Otherwise, high pressure builds in for our weekend. It'll be dry by that time and warmer. The only severe weather threat we have is a very small one. It's from Grand Rapids off to the north and west tonight, going into tomorrow morning. Threat level 1 out of 5. It's a marginal threat. Some of those storms coming across Lake Michigan in this area could have some gusty winds, but overall the threat is very low. And on Thursday, that shifts out of here to southeastern lower Michigan. So let's take a look then at how much precip we're talking about. Not much. I think if you get caught under a couple of those thunderstorms, you could get up to about a ½ inch, but most of us probably 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. And again, there may be some areas that get missed. So a widespread, heavy, prolonged rain, which which we need, I don't see from this system. 88 today, 84, more humid tomorrow with some scattered showers and thunderstorms as that cold front sags in here. Maybe a lingering shower or storm south of Grand Rapids on Friday, 85 degrees, and then that high pressure builds in for the weekend. Saturday and Sunday look dry, warmer, and then we may start another heat wave. Not the humidity that we had last week, but nonetheless 90 degrees or better for Monday, Tuesday, and probably into Wednesday of next week. That is what's coming, and that's your West Michigan forecast at 8:22.